And tough luck today, but what did you think of that score, 214, and what do you think of the pitch later on when Gujarat Titans batted?
I think it was a pass score. I feel 215 was defendable, but I feel after the heavy roller, the wicket got a little better maybe in the second innings. First innings, I feel spinners had a little bit more grip and the shorter, slow ones are sticking up a bit more. So I feel a pass score, but could have been better.
At one stage, it looked as if 230 was on the cards, which in these big games can make a difference, those 15, 20 extra runs, in spite of that great last over that you had.
Yeah, I think 230, 240 would have been a score that would have made their chase really challenging, but I feel 215 with the batting they had, we knew we had to get the openers early, which we didn't, and it was always going to be a tough road after that.
Terrific season for you because you've got the imagination of one and all with the kind of cricket you played, especially the youngster Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the way he's batted, and good performances all the way down, Jofra Archer pitching up. So what are your thoughts on this season? It's been a good one.
I mean, yeah, a lot of positives, a whole lot of positives actually. But if I had to sum it up in a sentence or a few lines, I feel we were not supposed to qualify. I feel a lot of young faces, like inexperience, less cricket played in the IPL, and a lot of new transitions and combinations we tried and tested. But I feel the character that the boys have shown and where we've reached today, being third in the IPL, I feel it's a great start for a long journey ahead.
Well, personally, as captain of the side, you've had your moments this season. What would you say would be the biggest improvement? I mean, obviously eye-catching is the young man, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Just your thoughts on him this season, the way he's evolved.
Vaibhav's been, I think, I can't really put it in words. There's one way where you just go and slog and then you get a lot of runs, but the way he's batted, it's not just slogging, it's not blind slogging. You can't do what you just did today if you were just going from ball one. He calculates, he assesses conditions, he does literally everything well. I still can't figure out how, but hopefully he keeps doing that. Hopefully he represents our country and brings more laurels to the country, and hopefully he keeps on playing for Rajasthan Royals and gets us to that second championship.
Well, Rian, tough luck today. Like I said, you've had a good season. You can be proud of the way your boys have performed. Better luck next season.
Thank you.